How to fix Instagram highlights not showing. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update your Instagram app. So launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Now, head over to your profile page, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Here you're gonna find different option. Navigate to the option Archive. Click on three dots given at the top right. Select the option Settings. Make sure you have enabled for these options Save Story to Archive. Now I can head back. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is click on three bars again. Scroll all the way down. Navigate to the option Help. Click on the option Report a Problem. Click on Report Problem without checking. Click on Don't Include and Continue. Here, briefly explain about the issue that Instagram highlights are not showing and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. Following these steps, your Instagram highlights not showing issue will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.